guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I literally just got 2 squishy packages. Well, I ordered some squishies and I'll show you the other squishies that I got because they came early later, like in the video, so keep watching. So I got 2 squishy packages. So yeah, let's get them open. I didn't look in them yet and I just realized that I was filming my other part of the video up and down, so alright, I'm just gonna sorry for that. Okay, here it is. Hebrew colossal bread. Let's go, let's open it. What the heck, I just realized that it's not resealable, I think. Wait, what? No, why isn't it not resealable? What the heck? Okay, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to cut it, so the packaging open at least. But here it is, inside the packaging. It is Hebrew. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep the packaging. But I probably wasn't gonna put it in there anyway, so, cause like it has like a hole in it, somewhere in the back, and honestly it doesn't hold very good. Okay, I just cut it. So, yeah, that is okay. Yeah, it smells just like every other squishy. What? Oh my gosh, it's so soft and airy. Wait. Oh my gosh, wait. I thought it was gonna be darker, the bread, honestly. Honestly, wait, hold on. Does it have licensing on it? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, it is. The real Hebrew, it says right there. Hebrew, okay. Well, yeah. So let's just get into the other squishy package that I have. Yeah, they did come from Amazon, but they are real. I got an ibloom squishy, and I'm gonna be showing you it soon. And it literally has ibloom licensing and the packaging and stuff. So I'll just show you that later. So yeah, let me get the other one open. I already open. I forgot. I'm too obsessed with this bread. Okay. Here's the next one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is an Arabian mango. Wait, is this not resealable? Is it? What's? Okay, squishy brands out there. I know you're probably not watching them because I'm not a very good. I don't have a lot of subscribers or anything. But make your packaging resealable. Look at how cute this is. I don't want to cut that. I don't want to cut this. Wait, does it smell good? Hold on. Not really. Well, that's okay. I'm probably just gonna cut it. I'll do it like right here. Cut it. But here's the packaging. Pretty lit. You know, it just there's a lady right there. And a lady right there. Alright, let me cut it open. I just had to cut like a little slit in the back of it. So yeah, alright. So squish. Oh my gosh! Look at that. I love it to the ombre and it has like a big little stem. That's really surprising. It's kinda hard to film this with one hand, but yeah. Oh my gosh, this is actually really good. Okay. Okay, well here are both of the ones that just came today. And they're really good. This one's super soft, this one's super soft too, and they're both really airy. And actually, this bread looks really like real, I guess. And this is the colossal bread, this is the Arabian mango. So yeah, let me go show you my other 2 squishies that I got. I already opened them. So yeah, one of them that came today. It's Hebrew with license. The packaging is Arabian mango. Lit. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Check them out. Yoo-hoo! Okay, here are my other 2 squishies that I got. The packaging is upstairs, but hopefully you know what the packaging looks like. But the licensing is right there for the ibloom. And here it is. It's the pancake thing, the regular kind, and it's super squishy, pretty surprising. It kind of smells like pancakes, honestly. It smells like bread. But it smells different than this bread. It smells different. Okay? So, let's have the PV effects. But let's just move on. Okay, so one of these are going to my friend. And I'm going to show you guys my friend's squishies. What she got, probably. In the next thing. Like right after this. And pretty much identical except for the back, I guess. And yeah, just for fun, because one of these are going to her. Wow, these squishies look way better on camera. This is a darker yellow. This is like a more orange. This kind of looks exactly the same on camera. And this, the butter is like colored. Like, I don't know. But, yeah, I've been playing a lot of Rocket League, so yeah. Subscribe and like for more videos, squishy videos. So I'm just going to show you my friend's squishies and what she got. Probably, if I don't, then yeah, bye.
I got this one, and it's super good. It smells so good. And I got this one, it's kind of good. I mean, it's like still soft. I got this one. I thought it would be softer, but it's still pretty good. And I got this one. It's pretty good. This one's my absolute favorite. It's so good. And I don't know, I just love it. Then I got these fries. It's pretty good, actually. This one's super good, too. I got the s'more, not that good, but it's pretty cute, so, I mean, it's fine. And then, yeah.